Hey guys, and welcome to Horror Marketing. Do you want to learn how to get in the business? Here's a little training video that a good friend of mine, Zine, helped me get into the business of making videos for money. I highly recommend you checking out this program, and I hope you enjoyed this video.
Hello friends, Shane Vozar here, creator of Zine, and tonight I'm going to sign up for Old Curly Jaws Network. We've been discussing the what you can get on Old Curly Jaws Network, and previously he had been offering 30 custom videos, but I asked him what if I just wanted one feature-length video per month, and he said he was willing to do that, and he's really excited to do that. And then I'll be able to sell it on my Gumroad store. And I've already been getting sales. My last product has made $7 so far, but I could send more traffic to it and make even more money on Gumroad. And so I'm really excited to join Old Curly Jaws Network. And it's $20 a month, but for $20 a month you can get a custom feature-length video that you turn into a product, and then you have an offer and you just send traffic and they can pay. And I have my Gumroad set up where you can pay whatever you want with a minimum of $1. And a lot of people are generous and give you more money than $1. Whatever they think is fair, they're allowed to pay you at my Gumroad store. But tonight I'm going to go over to Old Curly Jaws' Gumroad and sign up, so keep watching. Okay friends, so here I am on Old Curly Jaws Network on Gumroad, and it's called the Old Curly Jaws store, and it's on Old Curly Jaws Network. Old Curly Jaws Network, 30 video requests per month. So, but now he's kind of updated his terms and said you can also get a feature-length video, one a month, for your subscription. And so $20 a month, so I'm going to click subscribe, and I'm going to do PayPal, and there, so pay with PayPal. Use balance first. That's all the money I've earned from Gumroad for selling my newest feature-length video product. And so I'm going to click save and continue. And then Old Curly Jaws said he was stoked. I'm going to give it a 5-star rating. And Old Curly Jaws said he was stoked to do this movie, and he was going to start tomorrow. And there's like a little bit, there's going to be a surprise. I don't want to give it away, but I'm really looking forward to getting his feature-length video. And thanks so much everybody for watching.
Now let's begin. Now if you want to get into making the videos and making the money and making money online and being a horror host or anything for that matter, I recommend getting in touch with Zine. The dude has really changed my life and people around him for the better. You can really learn from this person. Like I made money, like hundreds and hundreds of dollars from listening to Mormo making my content for purchase, making feature length videos. It really helps you at the end of the day to make money online and have extra cash in your pocket and to grow your business and to grow your company as a whole. Fell House Video will definitely help you with that. Do you want to join the Fell House Video team today? Get in touch with me or Mormozine and make exclusive content for his Gumroad store. It really helps at the end of the day. And hey, it might benefit from your channel as well. Do you want to get hit in the content biz? Hit us up here at the Fell House Video right now. Do it. Do it now.